This is Demi from MailandExercisePlans.com, and today I'm answering your questions again. As you know, I like to talk about fitness and health through a relationship point of view. So today I'm going to be answering a question from a girl who pretty much wants to know that she's going on her first date. What should she ask? Well, the first mistake that I see a lot of girls making is that they don't go there with a plan on the first date. In my opinion, the first thing you should ask when you go on a date with a guy is one basic thing: why are you dating me? And they have three options. Ask them, are you dating for sex, are you dating for marriage, or are you dating for casual? And to be honest with you, casual is almost in the same category as sex. So it depends on you what you are dating for. For example, I always like to date for marriage. I don't date for any other reason. So the person that I'm talking to, I want to get this out the first date. So remember, so that you won't have any surprises 3 to 6 months later down the road, you want to ask them, are you dating for casual dating, for marriage, or for sex? And that way you can get that answer up front from the guy, and so that there won't be any surprises again later on. So don't forget, if you have any more questions, subscribe to my newsletter, fill out the survey, ask your questions. And don't forget to go to MailandExercisePlans.com, and I will see you again. Bye!